Hi, I'm Rita Wilkins, also known as the Downsizing Designer. So today's topic's really quite interesting. I hope you enjoy it. It's about your minimalist type matters, and here's why. So, welcome back to my weekly 5 in 5 series where I share 5 quick tips in just 5 minutes on anything about minimalism, decluttering, and just living a simpler life with less. So, have you ever asked yourself, why can't I get this minimalist thing right? The answer might be that you're trying to follow someone else's version of minimalism. And the truth is, there's no one way to be a minimalist, just like you have different lifestyles, different values. We also have different minimalist types. So today I'm going to walk through the 5 different types and why knowing your minimalist type can help you simplify your life with more ease, with more joy, and also with more confidence. So there's the practical minimalist. You focus on function, not just the aesthetics, and you don't need empty shelves. You just want them to function well, and also you want your home to run smoothly and effectively and efficiently. So if this sounds like you, prioritize spaces that slow you down in your daily life. Simplify your kitchen, your bathroom, your workplace. Do all of those first where there are fewer things, it equals less stress. The second type is the sentimental minimalist. Many of you might fall into this category where you're drawn to simplicity, but memories actually really matter. You don't want to let go of something that feels meaningful to you. So if this sounds like you, try this. Give yourself grace when you're decluttering. Start with the low emotional areas and create a space for a small memory box. So it is possible to have a minimalist home and still keep many of those things that you treasure and that tell your story. The third one is the aesthetic minimalist. You're inspired by clean lines, neutral tones, and the beauty of living with less. That visual peace and the serenity is what draws you in. And if this sounds like you, start with the visible things. So clear off spaces, reduce that visual clutter, and focus on harmony. And remember that beauty doesn't require perfection; it just needs a space to shine. And the next type of minimalist is the eco-conscious minimalist. You want to own less because you care about sustainability. Waste bothers you more than clutter. So if this sounds like you, declutter with purpose. Sell, donate, repurpose thoughtfully, and let your personal values guide your process. Um, because to you, it's not just freeing up the space; it's about the impact that you can make. And number 5 is the freedom seeking minimalist. So you're here for the lifestyle shift. You want more time, more money, more freedom, not just fewer things. So if this sounds like you, track what minimalism is giving to you in terms of your lifestyle, more time with your family and your friends, less financial stress. Let these lifestyle rewards be your motivation to keep going in your minimalist lifestyle. So identifying your minimalist type helps you to create a path that fits who you are, not who you think you should be. So when the minimalist journey aligns with your values and your personality type, it feels less like a struggle and more like a gift. So the next time you feel stuck, ask yourself, am I following my own path or someone else's? And if you want to dive deeper, try my workbook. It's about intentional living lifestyle. It's filled with tools to help you define your own version of minimalism. So check it out in the link below. And if you enjoyed this video, please like, comment, and subscribe to my channel so that you can get more videos like this. And please don't forget to share this with family and friends who might benefit. So I'll see you next week. And until then, just be you. Follow your own minimalist path to live life fully with less.